fabric and I'm using these laces to the jacket. So let's start with the measurements. First of all, fold your fabric into 4. These are 4 folded sides and these are 2 folded and 2 closed sides. Mark your measurements from here. First of all, you have to mark your full length of the jacket. Mine is 48 inches. 48 inches I have taken for the length of the jacket. Then mark a point on 14.5 inches and make a line. That is my waist point. And then mark a point on 21 inches and make a line on that point. That is my hip point. Then I have taken 7 inches for my shoulder width. 7 inches for shoulder width and 7.5 inches for the armhole depth. Armhole length is 7.5 inches and make a line on 7.5 inches here. Then I have taken 2.5 inch for the neck width. 2.5 inch neck width. And then on this line I have taken my full round of bust measurements, adding 1 inch for ease allowance and divide it into by 4 and mark that point here, and 1.5 inch extra for the seaming allowance. And on this point, waist point, I have taken full round of my waist, adding 1 inch for the ease allowance and divided it into by 4. Then make point here and 1.5 inch for the seaming allowance. And then for the hip measurements, I have taken full round of my hip measurements, divide it into by 4 and make a point here, and 1 inch extra for the seaming allowance. And give the armhole shape. This is the back armhole, and go half inch inside and give it a shape to the front armhole like this. And for the neck depth, for the back, take half inch down and give it a curve shape to the back neck depth. And for the bottom, add 1 inch extra to these hip measurements. Whatever your hip measurements, take 1 inch extra for the bottom. Cut your fabric from neck, shoulder drop, armhole and then sides. After cutting, I'll show you. I have cut the fabric as per the back measurements. Now separate the back piece and mark the front side open cut for the front piece. I have taken 2.5 inch for the neck width. So mark 2.5 inch all over the front piece. Then cut on this line. I have cut cut the front piece, and now I have these two front pieces. Then now stitch on the shoulders facing right on right, and make a stitch line on the sides till the hip line, both the sides till the hip line. Do the stitch to the sides of the jacket. I'll show you after shoulder and side stitching. And conceal the raw edges of the sleeve by the bias bindings. Both the sleeves concealing by the bias binding. And now attach your lace. Fold it 1/4 of an inch like this towards the right side, like this, and to the bottom like this, and place this lace like this, and make a stitch line to the lace. Hold it like this and place it the lace like this and stitch all around like this. Like this. Also this lace, hold it like this, stitch it at the bottom of the jacket like this. Here, this side and back of the jacket as well. After stitching the lace and make double fold of the charks and give it a stitch line through the charks. After completing the chark and the lace, I'll show you the final results of the jacket. This is the final look of the jacket and is so easy to sew and comfortable to wearing it. Hope you all like it. Please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.